Welcome back to another vlog. Today my plan is to tackle this room to make a start on it. I've got a few issues, like there's some salt, I think it's called salt fluorescence or something, efflorescence or something. I've got a salt problem on that wall there. Knocked that back to break, and I've got some stuff to put on it. And I need to empty this room out, give it a makeover and see how it is, because it's been a few years now and there's a few cracks that have appeared. There's a crack there around the light, going all the way down there. Fill that in. In the conservatory here, these are the new sofas, which I'll reveal to you at the end. So I think I'm going to open that door and put all the stuff from there, stack it along here. The sofas can stay. We'll see how we get on. That was close, wasn't it? It's on spin. What have I started here? Oh no. It always looks worse, but hopefully by the end it'll get better and should be all good. I'm not a builder, by the way, as you all know. But I like to learn, give things a go. The wife's gonna kill me. So looking at this wall here, right? I should have mentioned the chimney's been capped off at the top, so there's no water coming in. I'm gonna try some of this on it. Salt neutralizer. And then I've got some of this KA tanking slurry to put on top. There is no dampness. It's all dry. Completely dry. But it's salt on the wall, so I'm going to try that. So far guys, this is the mess that I'm left with. Oh my god, I can see some issues there at the bottom that need sorting. I should have worn my dust mask, but I couldn't find it and I had already started the work. Time for a break. I need to remove this piece of wood because down here it's all rotted. So if you look carefully, the fireplace has been opened up. And this is here to support this beam here on top. And the fireplace was sat inside that hole. But I need to replace that piece of wood. Sort this bottom bit out here, because all this is, look, this is just loose bricks that just stacked here. I'm going to sand and cement all that. Maybe remove the whole bottom. Put a damp proof sheet down as well. And then take it from there, I think. We'll go for a shower, go screw fix. No, I'm not. Go Wicks a bit closer, get some more rubble sacks, and then, oh yeah, I also need some sand and cement because all this here is loose. Cement all that in place, put a new beam there, I think. Alright guys, I'm showered, I'm clean. Second time I showered today, but I need to go, I'm going to Wicks now to get some more rubble sacks, and I also need some more sand. So I need to sand and cement, then bricks in place at the bottom. and then take it from there. But not too bad for a day's work. So obviously I still need to clean up yet. But I'm going Wicks now because it shuts in about 1 hour. So let's get going. I'm looking for rubble sacks. Guys, I've got it. I've got the sand. I've got some rubble sacks. And I've got some gloves. These were only £1. So saves my hands some work. And then round the corner was a nice Mackey's. And I've got a raspberry Sprite just to cool off a bit. Right guys, I've just brushed some stuff on the wall. Salt neutralizer. It is so strong though, it bloody stinks. I use a masonry brush, brushed it all on. Might put some more on after actually, just to be safe. That cable's dead by the way. This is the bottom of the chimney. I think all this here is all soot. I'm going to clean all that out and cement this up after that and re-brick all this back up. I am done for the day, tidied up, cleaned it all up, hoovered, bricks are stacked up there, and this, I just need to sort this out now. I've put a salt neutralizer. Hoovered? Okay, my wife helped me, she hoovered for me. I did most of the, she did bits and pieces, keep it that way. So I've put salt neutralizer on the bricks, and now, but the thing is, my Dyson, I think it's going to break, you know, hoovering all this dust up. So I'm going to get a Henry Hoover next, because I'm going to need it now. When I do all the sanding, it's going to create a lot of dust. So I think that'll be a lot better. But this is what I'm left with at the minute. The fireplace is going to go back inside here. I think we're going to forget about that shelf that was here and make it flat. So I'm going to go screw fix tomorrow. I'm going to get some damp proof rods to put inside these holes and make some more holes and stick them inside there, along the sides there, along the wall there, along here. To be fair, I don't even think I need it, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm going to put tanking slurry on as well. It's made for internal and external use. So if I go above and beyond, I'm hoping that solves it. In this close up here, you can see the salts coming through. So that is me done for today. It's Sunday, it's takeaway day. So today we're going to get a nice scran. It's takeaway Sunday. Sarah does have to cook on a Sunday, you see. It's her day off. There's a new takeaway opened up. It's called Fraser's. I'm going to get a menu and see if it's any good. Might be alright. What do you think of the place? Does it look good?
It's just a normal.
Oh my god, what the fuck's that? Ugh, fucking fly.
Burger place.
We do burgers, beef burgers, peri peri. Do they do full bird though? Wraps, chicken wrap. I've got some camel one instead. Can't go wrong with the camel one. The freshest meat. You seen that picture over here of the skewers? Kebab, chicken tikka, everything. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.